Air source heat pumps offer several benefits when installed. Energy efficiency. They can provide efficient heating and cooling by transferring heat between the outside air and your home, even in cold climates. Lower operating costs. They typically have lower operating costs compared to traditional heating systems, especially if electricity prices are stable or lower than other fuel sources. Environmental friendliness. They produce fewer greenhouse gas emissions compared to oil, gas, or electric furnaces, especially if the electricity is sourced from renewable energy. Versatility. They can provide both heating and cooling, offering year-round comfort in your home. Long-term savings. While the upfront costs may be higher than traditional systems, over time you can save money on energy bills and potentially qualify for rebates or tax incentives. Safety and convenience. They don't require on-site combustion, reducing the risk of indoor air pollution, and they typically require less maintenance than combustion-based systems. Contact for more information.